This was one of the craziest days of fishing that I've ever had. We started off our morning rigging up the usual trolling lures. Once they were all set, we began trolling, and after 40 minutes of fishing, we marked a giant bait pile. So we decided to troll right near it, and the next thing we knew, something slammed our deep bait. So I started fighting this fish, and while I was reeling it in, the other planer got slammed too. So my brother Austin started fighting that one. And by the way, if you're not already following, we are a family fishing channel, so drop a follow. But we now had both of these fish right behind the boat, and we were able to land these two wahoo that made an awesome dinner.